Hello fan collectors, this is a video of my 52-inch Litex footprint vent ceiling fan. Here, I'll turn the light on so you can see it better. And it'll do a close-up of the vents. Yes, they sure do look like footprints, don't they? Excuse me. There's a fillagree sideband, canopy. It's got 5 oak finish blades, pointed tip, and one of the blades you see here, or this one, is warped. But that's okay, since I have another set of blades with wicker inserts that I will use on it eventually, as time permits. They're from another Litex ceiling fan I parted out many moons ago, but I think it would look even more awesome to have the cane on this type of ceiling fan with the footprint vents and the schoolhouse light, antique brass. That's the only thing that's lacking, but other than that, it's a really great fan, and this is my favorite styles, or one of them anyway. Always like these footprint shaped vents, and Litex made this style up until like the mid 2000s, I believe. But as time went on, they pretty much evolved into like your typical builder fan, and they lost the fillagree sideband, and they pretty much became a knockoff of themselves. This one, however, was manufactured November of 1989, so you really can't tell from a distance the ones that were like 20 years its junior. But anyway, I'll turn it on for you. Start out on low. By the way, I got this at a yard sale last week. Really cheap too. I just had to get it. Kind of slow for low, but anyway, I'll give it more momentum on medium. Yep, starting to gain more momentum. Okay, we'll try it on high. Moves a decent amount of air, and by the way, when I got it from the yard sale, one of the blades was twisted a little bit, or a few of them looked like they were a little bit off balance, but anyway, I realigned them and it far exceeded my expectations, as you probably can tell. And by the way, I have its white and polished brass twin, 52-inch 5 blades, no cane. And it was the first ceiling fan I ever purchased at Habitat in 2009. Well, I can just feel the air it cranks out. Now we'll power down. And by the way, I forgot to mention that the other Litex, the white and brass one, just like this one, was made sometime in 1988. Don't know the exact month, but I have it nestled in a storage tote for safekeeping, and I will do a video of it as time permits. I'm just amazed at how well the ceiling fan runs. Very legendary. Alright, I will conclude this video right now, and thank you for watching. More to come.